Hi guys, welcome to this very quick review about this BIZNET USB-C car fast charger. It's a very high power car fast charger. It has 2 times 33 watts, in total 66 watts. And I'm going to test and show if this really works. I have 2 test devices. Unfortunately, this one is only supporting normal PD and not PPS. And with the PD, we can only achieve 30 watts. So this device is so powerful, it brings even my test devices to the limit. But still, we can start with 30 watts. But before, we want to see the compatibility. I've already tested this. You can see that here almost everything green. When I hold this a little bit closer, you can see all the compatibility. It's absolutely crazy. I've never seen so much green. And on top of that, you can also see PD-210T2P PPS with 33 watts. But since this is just the protocol, I'm going to test that for you in real life. So you can see we have connected these 2 test devices with this USB-C charger here. And this is a normal 12 volt car cigarette lighter port here, and I've set it here to 12 volts, which is normal PD, and 2.6 amps. And I start this here, and you can see we are exactly at 30 watts here. So we are pulling already 30 watts, and while we are doing that, we are starting also this test device. And with this one, we can use PPS, which is the highest output. So we are at 11 volts. And now we start both of them. You have the 30 watts here. And so I start the ramp up test here at the same time. And we can see it's already at 10 watts. And now 15 watts, 20 watts, and still going up, 26 and 30 watts, 31, 32. And it has stopped at 11 volts, 11.1 and 3.1 amps. And when we do the math, we can find out that it was even a little bit higher than 33 watts here. So absolutely awesome. I stopped this here also because it's really at the limit. It's producing so much heat, but here almost nothing to feel. When I touch it here, still very cold. Of course, over time, when you are pulling the maximum power, it will get a little bit warmer, but I can definitely confirm that it's very efficient, very high power device. So I take it out here to show you the full device. It's also very beautiful with the white ring here. It's not even heavy, very good. We can also see that it's very easy to plug in and take out. With some of these USB chargers, it can be very difficult. Absolutely no problem with this one. And again, very beautiful here. So I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested into that, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.